Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at Haas Open House meeting organized by Manav Marketing and Autodex. And I am here with Mr. Jagan Mohan, who's the director of Preci-Mac Engineering. Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you
Please
for
tell us
bringing me
about
to it.
please tell us about your company.
We Preci-Mac Engineering is a group of companies where we started the parent company in 1974. We were more into the conventional aspect of doing machining of rather lot of catering into the domestic market, and the generation has changed, and we have been converting ourselves from the conventional side to the CNC side. Probably last decade and more, we have got into the conventional side into the CNC side, and we have got number of CNC machines into the vertical machining centers also. And now we are catering to the global market. We are into different segments like defense, hydraulics, and to cater to the other markets also.
Great, great. So you are into different sectors, like,
Yes.
and you are into export as well.
Yes.
And I think you were telling me that you are into defense for the government sector as
Yes,
well.
yes.
Can you please elaborate on that?
Right now, after we have been considered from Government of India under the cluster of Make in India projects,
Wow.
we have been tied up with the defense sector with Government of India, and probably we have cracked a lot of items which we have been already importing from a lot of other countries. And this is a big opportunity for all the end users and to the customers who are having the machinery, the technology behind where we can use it in a better way. And we can do a lot of business with the Indian origin, and the scope of business is enormous. And how well you place into the market, it depends on your hard work and everything. When you bring it out, probably that will yield results in a faster way.
Yes.
And we could be proud enough that we could be a manufacturer for the Indian defense system as well as for India.
Definitely, sir. And I think you should be very proud that you
Yeah.
are doing Make in India campaign successful, right?
Yes, yes, 100%.
And you are making those components and doing the import substitution.
Yes, yes.
Great, sir. I mean, hats off to you. This is really a good initiative from your side. So, can you tell us more about what kind of components you are exporting out of India?
See, what has happened recent times is China was one of our biggest competitor, and India has been proven results in a very big way that we have the capacity and tendency to move forward. But a lot of Europeans and Americans are now itching into India to get the better result from China after the global economy and wars, everything what is happening around the world. But India, in spite of the good governance what we have down the line, people have been now very stable enough to get through the opportunities and build their entire thing. And a lot of defense sector today, because of wars, the defense sector has been moved in very big way. And we are taking those opportunities to make a lot of things. And India is going to be, for the next decade, it's going to be one of the biggest exporter of all the defense items to the entire world. And we are a threat also, probably. You can take in that direction. And I think this is one good news where all the youngsters and the next generation has to come forward.
Yes.
And globally, what we are doing right now is we are into the field of a lot of automobile parts as well as hydraulic parts where we are right now doing. The trend is little bit changing into heavy components, and for that we are building, and we are looking into the scope of opportunity where we can be suited into to take it up.
Definitely, I totally agree with you. There is a silent manufacturing revolution going on in
Yes,
India
yes,
right now.
100%.
And I'm so happy to discuss with you that you are a big contributing in a big way to that
Yes,
revolution.
yes. There are not only me, there are a lot of people who have been unknown to this
Yes.
global thing. Let them all come out, but we have to be proud enough that we are in India. We are doing it in a big scale.
Absolutely, absolutely.
MSME is contributing nearly 30 to 40% of the entire economy also.
Wow.
And we all must have that broad-minded thinking that we have so much of scope in spite of we have so much of competition around us.
True, definitely. You are absolutely right. So, can you please, we are here at Haas Open House organized by Manav Marketing. Can you please tell us what is your relationship with Manav Marketing?
If I'm not very sure that we have an association for more than a decade more with Manav Marketing.
Awesome.
And my parent companies where we are been exporting around the globe, we had first initiated with Haas machines, and we took Haas machines in 3-axis machines. From there we have been upgraded into 4-axis. Now we are going to upgrade with 5-axis. Probably it is the call of the day. Today, getting into aeronautics, marine engineering, and all, we require more precision.
Yes.
And Haas is one company where the reliability, the durability, and long withstanding, you can rely 100% of the machine for a decade and more.
Absolutely.
You need, if you put your money, you think you don't get returns. But with this, I think you will get double your returns.
Great, great, great. That's a great ROI.
Yes, 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 100%. But specifically, you have to use. Rather, you don't use the machine, you keep it idle. That
Yeah,
doesn't make any
that's true.
sense at the end
That's
of the day.
That's true.
But properly, if you use it, I think it is one of the finest machines we have.
Great, sir.
And my suggestion is if Haas can even have some manufacturing stretch up here, so that the import and other things also, we can be at ease. And globally, they can even build up a more carrot down the line.
Definitely, sir. Right, sir. Thank you, sir. It was pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for calling me and giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.